So Formlabs are one of the leading brands in SLA 3D printing. They've got machines all over the globe with uses ranging from consumer products through to medical applications. So they actually use a slightly different technology to what you typically associate 3D printing with. So they're actually resin-based printers, and they use a laser to actually cure that resin to build the part layer upon layer. The terminology is actually SLA printing or stereolithography, and I definitely recommend looking at SLA printers if you really want to get high detail and good surface finish on your parts. So Formlabs actually pioneered what's called low force stereolithography. Prior to this, SLA machines were quite large and quite expensive because you needed a really large vat of resin. Formlabs essentially tipped this on its head, and that means that now you only need a really shallow vat of resin, and it also has reduced the cost of SLA printing from about £80,000 down to about £5,000. What's also really special about the Formlabs machines is their kind of fully complete systems. So when you're actually printing with SLA technology, it needs to go through a couple of post-processing steps. So the part is initially cured using the resin, and the laser actually creates the form of the part. That then needs to be washed just to remove any of the uncured resin on the surface, and that then actually needs to be cured, and that hardens and sets in any of the material properties into the part. So Formlabs are great if you're looking to prototype really small, high detail parts, or if you're looking to produce parts with a really good surface finish. So this is ideal for loads of different applications. So if it's consumer products and you're just looking to prototype the fit and function, or if it's small medical devices and instruments, then it's absolutely ideal for these. You're able to prototype those small kind of snap fit details and get a really good quality part. So if you're not sure entirely what 3D printers can be best for you, then you can either give us a call or drop us an email, or you can head over to the website and you can find more details there. But we'd be more than happy to help kind of discuss your applications and see what's going to be a good fit for you.